Hello everyone, welcome back to One to Step. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to hide a Snapchat story from a certain someone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Let's proceed further. You can easily build a custom list of users to be able to view your story or even hide Snapchat story from specific people with just a simple tap. Start by tapping open Snapchat application from your app list. Make sure you're signed into your account, and once you're in, from the home screen, head over to the top left corner of the screen and tap on the profile icon, which will open your profile page. Now click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and you can see View My Story option right under Who Can. Simply give it a tap. As you can see that your story can be viewed by everyone. From this page, tap on Friends Only if you want your story to be displayed to your friends and hide it from the public. Next, if you want to restrict certain friends from viewing your Snapchat story, then you can tap on Custom option. On the next page, select the friends with whom you don't want to share. Give it a tap and a red cross sign appears once you select a person. The ones you've selected now has been refrained from viewing your story. Keep on selecting the person you want to block, and after you do that, go back to your Snapchat home screen. Now, in case you wish to allow them to watch your story again, you can simply follow the same guide and uncheck them one by one. Tap on your profile picture at the upper left corner. Let me show you how, and tap on the gear icon at the upper right corner. Scroll all the way down under Who Can and tap on View My Story. Tap on Custom and you can simply cross them in order to undo the changes. After you go back to your home screen, the settings will be saved. Now this will make the person that you unblocked to watch your story the next time you upload it. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.